What's up, guys? We are coming in with raw value, raw value nuggets out of the business class on Emirates. Flight from Zurich to Dubai, 5 hours to go. I'm not even 1 minute in the air, and I started to record videos on the DJI Osmo 3, which I'm currently on, talking to you guys. Mic strapped, already producing content. And if you see this, then I just want to say thank you. I just want to say thank you to everyone. This video is not going to be any value, it's just my pure gratitude. I don't know how you feel, but planes are always a safe place for me where I feel intense gratitude to be able to travel through the world and just lift off the ground. And obviously my thoughts also are lifting off the ground, right? Most of the times my mind is focused on solving problems, coming up with solutions, dealing with a lot of intense moments and stress. But I just want to take this couple of minutes and just want to give you my pure gratitude. If you support me, if you watch me, if you hate me, if you comment, if you don't comment, if you like, if you don't like, if you are in my team, if you are one of my leaders, if you are friends, family, I don't know who you are, and who is watching this, obviously. But these are most of the people that watch my content, right? And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything, right? All the beautiful years, all the favors, all the help, especially most important for me, all the respect, all the love, all the difficult situations that I've been in. People have been lifting me up, right? And there are special thanks that I need to give to my future wife, Anita, which is just an amazing human. And you need to understand that as an entrepreneur, as someone that leads a very large community, you're basically getting fucked raw all the time, right? And if it wouldn't have been for her, a woman that supports me since day number one, I picked her up in the very old car of my mom, which was worth 800 euros. The door nearly fell off. To today, where we live in Dubai, we have a beautiful life. We have enough money. We can do whatever we want. And I'm very grateful for that, right? I'm very grateful for my mom, for my sister, that believed in me since day one when I started this business in my Kinderzimmer, which is basically my kids' room, basically, right? With one bed and one table, one desk where I worked with a computer for my sister, right? I took to my sister's computer because I didn't have one. And obviously to my mom, to my sister, to my dad, to all the day ones. There are some people that are still here since day number one, like Enrique, one of the first person that joined me, my mentor Martin. If it wouldn't have been for him, I would have never been where I am. He picked me up, he stayed on me in terms of, followed up and got me into the business, helped me many, many times, paid my first food and drinks because I was so insanely broke, drove me to meetings and picked me up, helped me in every situation from up and down, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So Martin, if you see this, I'm very, very grateful. Sometimes we have our good and bad times together, but we always stick together, and I'm very, very grateful for that, for everything you did. And I will always honor that. Always, always, always honor that. I will always keep everyone in mind and honor them that helped me and stayed behind me and got my back and defended me. So with that being said, guys, I don't want to make it too long because most likely for you it's boring as hell. But it's very important for me to just spend 4 minutes on gratitude, just for my life, for everything everyone did, my whole team, the people that work for TPR, that work with me. I don't want to say work for me, but they work with me for the TPR vision, the TPR community, the leadership, OGs. And I don't want to stop name dropping because if then we're going to take 100 hours, right? It's going to take until day after tomorrow, right? So just want to say great thanks, and very grateful for this life. And I will always do my best to honor you guys, to push for you, to push for us. So if you are with me, then you are with me. If you're not with me, that means you're against me. And we are going to the top because the goal is to lead the largest trading community in the world, to build the largest trading community in the world, inspire people, help people that are financially crippled, that have never gotten any financial education. And that's where we're going, baby. And obviously everyone besides me, which I obviously cannot guarantee, but I will always take care of them. I will always take care of the people that are with me. I will always offer them protection. I will always offer them my best capabilities and abilities, my intelligence, my dedication, my resources, and we see us at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Let's get it.